more breaking news coming in. Another CCTV clincher here on India Today, where it was caught on camera of how Dr. Umar was wrecking Connaught Place. There you see his car, the I-20, used in the Red Fort blast, was also seen wrecking Connaught Place. The bomber Umar in the terror car, who was caught on camera, he was seen driving this car packed with explosives in Connaught Place, that is the heart of Delhi. Umar was seen driving this car, that is the I-20, right on your screens in the middle of the road. And remember, the time was about 10:05 a.m. in the morning. Peak time, CP is crowded, and this where he's driving the car is Connaught Place Outer Circle. Parliament House is just 3 kilometers from Connaught Place. These high-profile targets that they were looking for, such that the impact would be jolting. Let me cut across to Shreya, who continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Shreya, can one also deduce that Connaught Place was probably one of the options that they may have been mulling to carry out some sort of an attack?
Suresh, could be not, because one thing is for sure that the initial plan was about serial blast to be carried out across multiple locations. The reason we see that Connaught Place, Mayur Vihar, all these locations that have been picked up in the CCTV become crucial, because these are hotspots where people usually come. Mayur Vihar was a residential area, but CCTV of this Connaught Place. Remember, this is the outer circle radial road of the Connaught Place, where that car has been spotted. Around 10 number road is where this is seen go past, and but obvious, because that's the route he took. And then he finally first came to this Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, which is located at the Turkman Gate near the Ramlila Maidan, and subsequently he spent 10 minutes over here. We've got all those CCTV clinchers. We've got that CCTV now that's breaking on India Today that shows him moving across that outer circle of the Connaught Place. Then he travels, he comes to this particular masjid at the Turkman Gate, Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid. We have a CCTV of him walking on the road, unfazed. For the first time, we've seen his gait. He doesn't look panicked. He's walking. This is a man who knows that there's a search operation going for the fact that he's absconding. And that CCTV that we have near this particular masjid, very clearly that he was unfazed. And from here he goes to the parking lot of Red Fort, stays there for 3 hours, then detonates that I-20 car at 6:50 p.m. So all the CCTV trails of Umarun Nabi caught only on India Today, and we are breaking that Connaught Place CCTV right now, where we can see him move at the outer circle radial of the Connaught Place circle.
Again, horrifying to imagine what could have happened and what the consequences could have been if something unforeseen had probably been, called out by these terrorists. It was 10 o'clock in the morning, peak time, Shreya, when people coming to offices in Connaught Place, shops opening, very crowded, and there he is, right at the outer circle, driving that car. This car that is full of explosives, driving through the outer circle of Connaught Place, caught on CCTV. But fact also being that while the searches were on, while the raids were underway, to narrow these details down, to be able to check this car, all of that was in process, but misses that were also happening.
Well, absolutely, Suesha. And these CCTV images probably also highlight the kind of scare situation that the national capital evaded, because serial blasts that could have taken place, these could have been all possible locations this man had wrecked, because what the CCTV suggests that he was also seen somewhere in Firozpur Zirka. He spent overnight there, and then he had travelled to the national capital via that Badarpur border route. So imagine the amount of fact that this man was unfazed as well. Yes, the attack was planned after the panic button was pressed, that he would also get caught. But even at the face of that, if we see that CCTV, especially from where I am right now, at this Turkman Gate Masjid, from where that CCTV we had accessed. And if we can show that CCTV again, just look at his gait. He's unfazed, he's not panicking. This is a man who knows that there's a search operation for him, that he's absconding. He's moving through the national capital with an explosive-laden car. He comes over here, then he goes and he detonates that I-20 car. So clearly, this is something which is shocking. But right now, that CCTV that we can see is of the Connaught Place outer circle from where he had gone past. And possibly, we never know that if Connaught Place was also a part of the plan, a part of the larger plan of the series of blasts that has been evaded, largely thanks to the Jammu and Kashmir police alertness to catch hold of this entire module.
Oh yes, absolutely, Shreya. And those details now coming to light, especially the CCTV footage and a lot of it that helps piece together what was happening and what the larger plan really was.